As sealant is made of plastic materials, a hot knife can easily cut through it. Jump by jump, these workers help lower the anchor into the ground. To finish this trough installation, they add white turf to the field's lines, as it's more durable and resistant than paint. The process of knife making begins with forging. It is done by heating it to a very high temperature to make it malleable. It is finished by smoothing it and polishing it with blade finish. Knife handles are typically made of carbon fiber, stainless steel, and fiberglass laminate. Civilian helicopters are smaller, lighter, and less sophisticated than their military counterparts. They are used in rescue missions and to retrieve cargo in difficult access locations. If they can't land, a long line will be attached to the person or item while it flies above. To keep your lawn healthy, don't remove more than 1/3 of the date at each mowing. Removing more can affect healthy root growth, which means the lawn will need more water during warm, dry months. Zip pin out a dead treetop is the best option in populated areas with building nearby. Bamboo wood is an excellent choice for furniture. It is a tough and highly durable material with a unique finish. Most of our tradition of trimming hedges comes from the French garden designs of the 1700s. "179 kilograms of orange zest is needed for a regular chocolate production." Incense is used in many cultures for accents in religious ceremonies or aromatherapy. The process of making incense sticks has its tricky parts to get the perfect result. Horses need to be reshod every 4 to 6 weeks irrespective of whether they have worn the shoes out or not. The hooves grow continuously, and when shod, the hoof cannot wear down. If a horse is only working intermittently, they do not need to be kept continuously shod. Polishing machines work with brushes and are designed to perform brushing, buffing, polishing, and finishing of any metal material. A grass trimmer can be the best option to cut the edge of your grass and leave a clean job. You need to be strong and have good coordination to unload something this heavy. You need to go slow and steady, or you could break it and get hurt. Vinyl plank flooring is an excellent choice because it's waterproof, durable, and easy to clean. You can install vinyl plank flooring over concrete, handwood, tile, or existing vinyl flooring. Rubber mallets are used to place the material without damaging it. After a glass cutter makes the perfect shape in the center, this worker needs to be careful to remove all the material without ruining the whole piece. Cutting the loop makes these noodles easier to store, allowing smaller packs. As the wall will be painted afterward, it doesn't matter what color this worker uses on the plaster to cover all the holes on the drywall. Depending on the demands of the client, contractors need to get creative to achieve the desired look. Here you have the perfect technique to pack 5 boxes together in a comfortable way. The temperature for things to start glowing in visible light is around 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That means anything hotter than that, you will see glow, like glass, that melts at over 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have the incredible skill of this worker, make sure to disassemble your outlets. She is quick to make sure the production chain never stops. Here you see the filling training for a French classic, lemon meringue pie. Even before placing the bag, this worker knows how to leave room for the next one. This way, he keeps the balance and creates a perfect pile. Once the dough is ready, this worker places a handful inside a strainer to make the vermicelli noodles. Sweet potato noodles are a type of glass noodles made from sweet potato starch. When you know the controls of a machine perfectly, you can achieve any move. A skilled worker knows the exact move she needs to do her job efficiently.